Oh, Max! What a good boy! Hello. Oh, you're all snuggly bugglies, aren't you?
Pixie! Hello, hello.
This office has been here 17 years. It's our intention to knock this down and replace it with a brand new one. Then we'll be putting it over in that corner. And we'll be replacing this area with 3 new isolation units like the big block at the end.
Oh yeah, excellent. How much will this cost?
The isolation block will cost £6,000,
Yep.
and we're hoping to spend between 3 and 4 on a new office.
Great.
Purpose built.
So that takes care of the donation.
So it takes care of the donation.
Fantastic.
Great, thank you, yes.
Well, yes. Yeah, I want to take them all home.
So you can go up tonight with a cat on the door.
Oh, easy, yeah. Wouldn't take much, I tell you.
I dare say that them out.
Little young one. Oh, yeah. Oh, my word. Oh, Freya.